Hello. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to another project on the natural language processing. The natural language processing. Okay, so in this activity, we are going to see how to control our lighting using the light on and then the light off, the light on and then the light off. So here we are going to train our data to allow it to do that. So first we have to create our block. So we create our block, which is the data for light on. Okay, so for the data for the light on, we have to add the train we have to add your text as class, and then we do the light on as light on, light add is too dark here. So here this one is training the data for it to know what to show when you say something. So when you say I want to study, if you say I want to study, that means you want the light to be on. If you say I want to sleep, that means you want the light to be off. So here is training your data to know which light should be on or off depending on what you are saying. Okay, then from there we go and then train the light. We made the data for the light on and then the light off, and then we do our flag click. So this in this side, here is the point where you ask what do you want me to do. So when I click on a green flag, it will now tell me, it will ask me what I want it to do. So what do you want me to do? Then I'll ask, I want to sleep. Then it will get the answer for 2 seconds, and then it will bring out the results. So whether I said I want to sleep, that means I want the light to be off. So if I say I want to learn, that means I want the light to be on. Okay, so that is training the data to be off or to be on. Then I come to the button. Now the button here, simply for when you check the button here, it has the green and then the black button. The green and okay, so the green and then the black button. Now the green button means light on, and then the black button means light off. So when I say I want to sleep, then light should be off, and then the green button will now show. The black button will now show. The same way, if I say I want to study, the green button will now show, which means I am ready to study. Okay, so here when I receive light on, switch costume to button 4A. So button 4A is the green button, and then button 4B is the black button, which the 4B is for the light off, and then the 4A, button 4A is for the light on. Okay, so this is all the code that we need to make our data to know whether to put the light off and then to put the light on using the natural language processing. Okay, so now let's try our code and then see the output and the results that it will bring us. So let's assume I want to say it's too dark here, then I'll press enter. So you can see light on. You see, I typed it's too dark here, and then it came light on. So the same way I will say light is too bright. So light is too bright, and then to tell me light off. So you see that when it turned light off, it came black. The black button showed. You see, the black button showed, which means the light is off. Okay, so the same way I will say I need some sunshine. I need some sunshine. Then I'll press enter. Then it will tell me light on. Then the green button will now show. So this is how the code for the natural language processing is to tell us which when we give the instruction to turn on our light, it will now tell us light on. When we give an instruction based on how we want our light to be, it will now give us the result of that. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching my video. Stay tuned for the last video, which is the machine learning. Thank you. Bye bye.